Alright, so here's how to change the format on Excel from XLSX to XLS. So let's get started. First of all, you need to move your cursor onto the left upper side and simply go with the file. So you can do as save as, tap on that option, and now simply go with the browse. Now if you want to save it into your desktop, simply go and select it up and simply go with here save as type. So under this section, you will probably go and select Excel 97 2003 workbook. So if you select that one, it will automatically save your file as XLS. So select this option and then simply go with save. And this will brings up the compatibility checker. So you can simply go and continue with that. And once you have done it, if you go back into your desktop and right click on your mouse and go to the properties, and as you can see guys, we have our XLS file here. So that's how you can simply change the format. Hope this video helps you out. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.